Top 1 Ukraine Kiev City, Kiev dedicated server provider with managed services, by TheServerHost. Ukraine is a diverse country in Eastern Europe. It's bordered on the east by Russia to the north and south, Poland, Romania and Hungary to either side. There are two major language groups in Ukraine, Russian and Ukrainian. The people of Ukraine also speak Greek, Latvian, Hungarian, Polish, and Lithuanian. Today web hosting providers are offering more features to their clients and users through the dedicated servers. This type of hosting is different from the shared servers and is a cost-effective option for a business owner. Another great thing about having a TheServerHost Ukraine dedicated server is that you have complete control over it. You are able to make changes in software and configurations as needed without affecting other websites on the same server. Flexible. The most common of all Ukraine dedicated server features is the flexibility of using it. You can install any type of software that you want on your server. You can also purchase and use Linux, Windows, or any other type of operating system that will function as your dedicated server. In addition, you can customize your dedicated servers in any way that you wish. Stable. Another one of the many Ukraine dedicated server features is its stability. Unlike shared hosting, which has a high bounce rate and tends to crash unexpectedly, dedicated servers are stable. They function without problems most of the time. When one problem does occur, however, it's usually resolved quickly. This is another advantage of dedicated hosting over other types of web hosting. If one problem occurs, most websites can still be online and running within a few minutes. Technical support. Another advantage of using Ukraine dedicated servers is the level of technical support available. When using a shared server host, you may not get access to the type of technical support that you get with dedicated servers. If you have questions or issues, there is always someone that can be reached and help you out. If you're dealing with a dedicated server host, you can call their technical support team directly for help. High unmetered bandwidth. One of the other major advantages to using Ukraine dedicated servers is the amount of bandwidth that they offer. Unlike shared servers, which are only able to support a small amount of traffic, a dedicated server offers unmetered bandwidth. You can store and host as many files and applications as you want, allowing you to grow your business at an unprecedented rate. Root access. When you sign up for a Ukraine dedicated server, you'll receive root access to your server, which gives you the ability to install a wide variety of software packages. Root access also gives you the ability to install programs that aren't part of the standard software packages on your dedicated server. Root access means that anyone with the appropriate authorization can make changes to your website. Managed service. If you want the most out of your Ukraine dedicated server hosting, then you should look towards managed services that provide managed security and dedicated IP addresses. The managed service will also give you good dedicated server hosting features, such as DNS hosting, security, automatic updates, application updates, and PHP monitoring. These features work together to make sure that your website is getting everything that it needs to run at peak times. With these features, you can be sure to have a robust website that gets great traffic, and helps you make the most out of your money that you spent on your website. Reliable. Ukraine dedicated servers offer several benefits to businesses that need them. One of these is the increased reliability over shared servers. When a website on a shared server experiences a problem, it can cause all websites that are connected to that server to experience potential downtime. If this happens, your company could lose potential customers and revenue. By choosing to use a dedicated server, you will be guaranteed that your website will be up and running no matter what happens. Fast speed. Dedicated servers also offer increased performance requirements compared to shared servers. If you are an online business that requires fast speed and reliable performance, then the Ukraine dedicated server is for you. You will be able to install all of the necessary software packages that are necessary for your applications and websites to operate properly. For a minimal monthly fee, you will be able to focus on the tasks that are most important to your company. Other features. With Ukraine dedicated hosting servers, you can also enjoy features such as load balancing, memory buffering, and better server uptime. All of these factors help to ensure that your site is always operating at high performance standards. This is especially critical if you operate a website that utilizes a large number of interactive pages. Your visitors will not only be frustrated by slow loading pages, but they may also become frustrated by encountering web pages that are inaccessible. High performance. The bottom line is that Ukraine dedicated servers can improve the performance of your site dramatically. Dedicated hosting providers are also very reliable, which ensures that your site is always running smoothly and does not experience any downtime whatsoever. For more info, visit TheServerHost.com or click link in description.